Earning through freelancing involves offering your skills and services directly to clients, often on a project basis. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. 1. Identify your skills. Determine what services you can offer, such as writing, graphic design, web development, video editing, digital marketing, or virtual assistance. Assess your skill level and identify what makes you stand out from competitors. 2. Build a portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing your best work. If you're just starting, work on personal projects or offer your services to friends or small businesses to build examples. You can host your portfolio on websites like Behance for designers, GitHub for developers, or even create your own website. 3. Choose a freelance platform. Freelancing platforms. Start by joining platforms that connect freelancers with clients. Popular ones include Upwork, wide range of job categories, including tech, design, writing, and more. Fiverr focuses on selling specific services at set prices, called gigs. Freelancer, like Upwork, with varied job categories. TopTal, for top-tier freelancers in tech, design, and finance. Direct outreach. You can also directly approach potential clients on social media platforms like LinkedIn or networking sites, like AngelList for startups. 4. Set your rates. Research market rates for your skill and experience level to set a competitive price. Decide whether you'll charge hourly or by project. Start with reasonable rates and gradually increase them as you gain more experience and build a reputation. 5. Create a profile. Build a strong profile on freelancing platforms focusing on a professional-looking photo, a clear, concise bio that highlights your expertise, testimonials, or reviews from previous clients. If possible, sample work in your portfolio. 6. Search for jobs. Regularly apply for jobs that match your skills and interests. Customize each proposal to show how your experience aligns with the client's needs. Initially, you might have to take on smaller, lower-paying projects to build up your reputation. 7. Network and build client relationships. Offer excellent customer service to retain clients and get repeat work. Ask for referrals or testimonials after completing a project. 8. Develop additional skills. Freelancing can be competitive, so constantly improve your skills, learn new ones, or specialize in a niche area to increase your value. 9. Market yourself. Use social media, blogs, or a personal website to promote your freelancing services. Share insights or case studies to showcase your expertise. 10. Manage your finances. Keep track of your earnings and expenses. Set aside money for taxes, as freelancers are usually responsible for their own tax payments. By consistently delivering quality work, building your network, and marketing your services, you can grow your freelancing career and earn a steady income.